Hello folks, it's a windy day today. Here for sale we have a T99 VW Golf TDI. First of all, I'll start off by trying to sort of show the stone chips that I mentioned on the advert. That's the worst of it, I think. All those little white spots. And you've got similar across the sort of bonnet, although they're not near as bad, but I think you've got the worst of it on this sort of corner. Most of that is rain, obviously. There's a slight bit of corrosion on the wheel arch here. The rear wheel arch is fine. Right, the other front wheel arch, same situation. Easily rectified and for minimal cost. Again, the rear wheel arch is absolutely fine as well. Around the car it all seems fine. There's a slight sort of chip near the rear door handle, the boot. Okay, right, we've got a scrape on the corner which you can see better on the photographs, of course. Wheels and tyres, it's all fine. Wheels are all in very good condition. Average condition, I'd say, and any sort of carbon that's built up on them will clean up very easily. Right. Other than that, the driver's window is held up by a couple of little wood chocks and plastic piece, as you can tell there. These cars have a common fault where the window actually falls out of its runner. I actually popped the passenger window back in because it was already out when the car came to us. It was a simple process, but to be honest, the driver's one, since it's closed, I haven't bothered to actually open up the door panel to actually do it, but I imagine it's probably very similar, easy fix. Inside, as you can see, nice and tidy. Doesn't show the mileage that it's covered at all, really. You've got the in-dash CD changer and cassette and radio. Other than that, well, pretty standard stuff really. You've got this rear ashtray that's bust, but I'm sure you could pick one of them up from the scrapyard fairly cheaply. All good in the back. You've got a dandelion seat there, flown in from somewhere. And I'll fire it up to explain demonstrate the noise that it makes with the, sure it's out of gear of course, the slightly noisy tappet that it has. Starts absolutely first time, no matter, even if it's been stood for 2 months, 3 months, doesn't make a difference. That's the sound of the noisy tappet, so you can definitely tell it's there. There's this one little plastic cover that's missing from the front as well, but again, it's only probably approximately £10 from the main dealers, or you know, a couple of quid from the breaker's yard. All pretty standard in here. Plenty of nice clean water, the oil is fine, the rest of it all straightforward really. That's it. If you have any more questions, please give me a shout. Either send an email, text message or a phone call is best. Thank you.